Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I wanted to do a little bit of a product review about this, of this demagnetizer I brought. Now if you're into watches or watchmaking or anything like that really, and magnetism can be a problem, these are something really you should invest in. Now when I first started out on my journey, I got myself one of these. I think they can be got for around about just under £10, and these are the type where you actually place the item near there and pull it away. Now, I found these are okay, but I normally had to do it a few times, and you never was really sure if you pulled the item far enough away, when to stop, all that kind of stuff. And basically I find they're a little bit hit and miss. They're better than nothing, obviously. So because I'm getting more and more, my journey's going on, I'm doing lots of actual watch servicing now. I wanted something better, but I still didn't want to pay the call me a cheapskate really, but I didn't want to pay the £200+ for one of the big name brands. So I went on to Aliexpress and found myself this. Now, this is one of these where you're never quite sure how it's going to work, if it's going to work, and so forth. So I was taking a bit of a gamble and brought it, and I have been super impressed. Now, earlier on, I actually magnetized this screwdriver. Now, you can see this if I hold it near this, pull that out of the way. If I put it near this compass, you can see here. Is it going to move? Yeah, you can see it moving around a little bit there. So let's move it around there. There we go. So you can see that is magnetized. So I thought, let's give it a try and see if it works on this. So the nice thing with this is you only have to place your unit, whatever you want to demagnetize in, just above like that, and that should be it. And all you do is press it once. So if I go here, and that should be it. It should be demagnetized. Let's have a look. Is it moving? No. So there you go. That's it. Demagnetized. That's just so much quicker and easier. Now obviously you can use this on your screwdrivers, you can use it on the actual watch itself. Only the other day I was reviewing a Omega Dark Side of the Moon Apollo 8, and I put it on the time grapher, and I was really quite flabbergasted because it was coming in at +8 seconds, and I thought that should not be right. So I just literally held it above here, one click, put it back on the time grapher, and it was going straight to 1 second. So this kind of thing really is handy. I think it was £24 for the item and around about £14 for shipping. So by the end, you're paying about £40 for this item. But I think it is really good. Plug wise, it comes like this. If I just move some cables, it comes with an American style plug. They're horrible, aren't they? Useless things. And it came with an adapter. So this actually is kind of handy, especially if you're going away on holiday and stuff. This is quite a good one if you do need, because it not only does American plugs but other ones as well. But obviously you just cut this off and put a UK plug on there. As you can see, I've been using this one for years and I've never even swapped the plug round. But this is the one I find really handy, and it's just no messing around with pulling the item away. Press it once, bang, it's done. Simple as that. Okay then guys, all the best. Any questions, leave them in the comments below, and most importantly, stay safe out there. Bye.